it's girl Jeray. I'm back with another video. I told you I was gonna be doing it, honey. I told you. Coming back for another video, okay, so this is about how to make your locks smell good, how they can walk around, how you can walk around and not have to smell things in your hair. We want them to smell good, be moisturized as well, but we want them to have like a little aroma and not the wrong aroma. Okay, so let's get into it. Right, I got the light with the look. Okay, so we're not gonna worry, we're gonna push through. This is supposed to be a pretty much quick video, but okay, so how we're gonna get our locks to smell good. So if you don't know, this is called the ACV rinse, and I might try to put some pictures of people doing the ACV rinse, a little sneak peek video of how that works. It gets all of the grime, the dirt, the everything out of your hair. Yes, you like, girl, not apple cider vinegar, because vinegar, girl, it don't smell right. I know, but when mixed with this, it takes all the grime out of your hair. So I haven't done one of these. I did not do one in my first set of locks. I did not, but I see a lot of people doing it, and I see the difference that it makes, because you think you're really doing something and you really ain't. But I always try to get me a clarifying shampoo that really gets stuff out. I'm gonna try to do a video about that, of certain shampoos that should be good with getting everything up out of your hair. Okay, everything. And sometimes it doesn't always do it. So many things can get locked in between these locks. It's not like loose hair. Loose hair, you can pretty much clean your hair, and you know, there's not a lot of anything that can't be cleaned with loose hair. But with locks, you have to make sure that you're getting everything out, because if you don't, not only would it smell, but like as time go on, it will eat away at your locks, and your locks will thin, they will break. So you have to make sure you are thoroughly cleansing your hair, rinsing your hair. When you do colors and stuff like that, make sure you do like what you would normally do for, you know, maybe 1 or 2 rinses. Now you might have to do about 4 or 5 rinses to get the color out of your hair. So this is one thing that will help you get some of that smell out and all the grime out of your hair with these 2 things right here. So we're gonna put that to the side. Now I also use this, but I don't have to use this. Is called rose multi-use oil. So it has apricot oil and sweet oil, almond oil. I think I've talked about this before. But not only this, but this with a combination of rose water, which I don't have any. If I have some, I'll put a picture somewhere, but I don't have any. These 2 combinations will be bomb. Okay, this one, now I got a little hair on it. Stimulating growth oil is tea tree. Tea tree smells really good. Like once you put it on your scalp, it kind of has like a minty, menthol type of smell to it. But at the same time, my kids want to just come in here while I'm trying to do something. You know what I'm saying? I want to stand there. Do y'all have that issue? Even not this. When you try to do anything, they y'all up in your grill. You know what I'm saying? Put this on my scalp and it smells good, but it really, you know, if you mix it with something, it will still be good. But like just to put it on your scalp, it's good for your scalp anyway, but it also has a nice smell. And if you combine that with some lavender, put a few drops of that in your water bottle, that will help too. And I did that with my water bottle. I don't know if y'all see my video about what I put in my water bottle, but I've switched it up over time. But I put a few of lavender drops in there. It smells good. Anything citrus. Did I say that right? Citrus. Say that a few times in a row. Um, lime oil, yes. Lemon oil, essential oils, orange. You can put a few drops in your water bottle as well, or if you put it in your oil, you put a couple drops in there, because essential oils need to have a carrier oil with it. Don't just put lavender in your hair with nothing. You know what I'm saying? You have to have like another oil with it or whatever. So, citrus oils, anything with a citrus smell usually gets the oil, like a nice aroma in your hair. It also helps it as well. So if you're having any problems with doing that over time, you can definitely spray it down. Make sure you do, washing your hair consecutively. Consecutively, that might not be the right word, but consistently. How about that? That's a better word. Washing your hair, especially like if you went out to the club, or you went out and it's in a smoky environment, or if you've been frying fish all day. I don't know, it's other things that you can just pick up smells as time go on, and sometimes it's a buildup of like different oils in your hair can cause a smell too. It smell like grease in hair, like hair grease on a skillet or something. I don't know. I don't like the smell. So if you are wanting to make sure your locks have a nice smell, there are other products, I'm pretty sure, like lock sprays and stuff like that out there. I haven't used any of them, but I'm sure there are some that has like a certain aroma to make your hair smell good. So those are just a couple of tips I wanted to share today. So the ACV rinse, do that. I would say some people do that every few months, maybe twice a year, or some people do it more often than that. It can be very drying, so make sure you follow up with some moisturizing oils and stuff like that to help you out. Rose water, rose oil, lavender oil, what other oil? Tea tree oil, stuff like that. It helps your locks smell good. So that's all I have for today. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you'll stick with me throughout this time. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? And that's all I have for today. So I'll see you in another video. Peace.